Hi everyone, welcome back to App Guide. I'm back with another video, and in today's video I'm going to show you how you can delete your Nintendo account. So if you've been using Nintendo for a certain while but no longer want to use it and want to close the account permanently, stick with me till the end of this video to find out how you can do that. For this, first of all, head over to your web browser and then go to nintendo.com and make sure that you're already logged into your account. If you're already logged in, you can see your username displayed on the upper right corner. Tap on your username and then select settings. As soon as you select settings, you'll be directed towards a new page where you'll see different information like this. Tap on other settings. And as you tap on other settings, the last end option says delete account. Select that option. And now here it says, be careful, by clicking deactivate and delete below, you will start the process of deleting your Nintendo account. So read through every information that's given here and then tap on deactivate and delete. If you're confirm and understand the above information and still want to delete this account, so tap on deactivate and delete. Now you'll have to enter the password here, so I'm just going to enter the password and then tap on OK. After doing this, there will be a final notification that is a confirmation for your account deletion. So if you're 100% sure of the account deletion now, you have to tap on conform account deletion, and it says here that your account will be deleted for 30 days. So tap on confirm account deletion, and then you can log in within 30 days, but it will be permanently deleted after the 30 days time period. So tap on OK. And as soon as you do that, you'll get logged out of your account, and now your account has already gone to the processing of deletion. But if you log in again within the 30 days time period, you will be able to log into your account. So this is basically how you can permanently delete your account. I hope this video has been useful to you and helped you in deleting your own Nintendo account. If it did, do let us know in the comment section below. Also give this video a thumbs up, share and subscribe to App Guide. And do not forget to hit the bell notification so that you get notified every single time that we upload a new video. Thank you for watching. I'll see you around next time.